Have you ever watched a one-screen plant fade away leaf by leaf as if its life is slipping through your fingers? What if I told you the cure is already sitting in your kitchen? Today I'm sharing a powerful natural revival tonic made from two simple ingredients, rice and sugar. And just 1 spoon of it can bring weak, dying plants back to life. Take 1 spoon of raw rice and grind it into a soft, fine powder. Rice is loaded with natural starch, amino acids, and trace nutrients that act like instant energy for tired roots. Now add half a spoon of sugar, pour both ingredients into 10 liters of clean water, and stir until the water turns cloudy and milky. This is your plant revival mix, a natural, homemade tonic that feeds the soil, strengthens the roots, and wakes up fading plants. Slowly water your weak or dying plants with this mixture. Within days, you'll notice fresher leaves, stronger stems, and a deeper green that feels almost magical. No chemicals, no expensive fertilizers, just rice, sugar, and the quiet healing power of nature.